Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Meta Conversion API for e-commerce, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Meta Conversion API for your e-commerce business, begin by visiting the Meta for Developers website. If you do not have a Meta developer account, create one by clicking on the Get Started button. Once you have signed in, navigate to the My Apps section. Click on the Create App button. Choose the appropriate app type that suits your business needs, such as business or consumer. Fill in the required information such as your app's name and contact email, then click on Create App ID. You may be prompted to complete a security check, so follow the on-screen instructions. After creating your app, you will land on the app dashboard. From the left menu, locate and select Add a Product. Scroll down to find Conversions API and click on Setup. Follow the setup instructions provided, which may include linking your app to your Business Manager account. Once linked, you will receive a unique access token for your API integration. Next, configure your server to handle API requests by implementing the necessary coding setup. Ensure that you collect the required event data from your website, such as purchases or leads. Use the access token to authenticate your API requests by including it in your header. Test your implementation to make sure that the events are being sent correctly to Meta. Once testing is successful, move to the production phase to start capturing live data. Make sure to monitor your data for accuracy and report any discrepancies. Finally, keep your app updated with any new Meta features or guidelines to improve performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.